picture niya yan. Kanina inikot-ikot lang eh. Nilaban. Abang lalaki. Kasi akala ko nila eh.
And he led the flock to the mountain of the desert, and came to Horeb, the mountain of God. And the angel of the Lord appeared to him.
Nagandil na. Patay ba? Naghahapon yata sa dyan. Grabe na! Ano nangyari?
Now Moses was tending the flock of Jethro, his father-in-law, the priest of Midian. And he led the flock to the back of the desert, and came to Horeb, the mountain of God. And the angel of the Lord appeared to him in a flame of fire from the midst of a bush. So he looked, and behold, the bush was burning with fire, but the bush was not consumed.
Burning.
Moses, Moses, here I am. Do not draw near in this place. Take your sandals off your feet, for the place where you stand is holy ground. I am the God of your father, the God of Abraham, the God of Isaac, and the God of Jacob. I have surely seen the oppression of my people who are in Egypt, and have heard their cry, because of their taskmasters. For I know their sorrows will have come down to deliver them out of the hand of the Egyptians, and to bring them up to a good land, to a large land, to a land flowing with milk and honey. Come now, therefore I will send you to Pharaoh, that you may bring my people, the children of Israel, out of Egypt. Who am I, that I should go to Pharaoh, and bring Israel out of Egypt? I will certainly be with you, and this shall be a sign to you, that I had sent you when you brought the people of Israel out of Egypt. Oh my Lord, I'm not a delinquent.
Ano ba yung post dito?
You
Yung
should know.
equal sign.
For
Ayun.
since you have sent yourself, I am slow of faith, and slow of tongue. Is not Aaron your brother? I know that he can speak well, and that he is coming out to meet you. When he see you, he will be glad in his heart. Moses! Aaron! Oh, my brother!
because you have made us abhorrent in the sight of Pharaoh and his servants. The taskmaster hold the sword in their hand to kill us. And Moses turned back to God.
My son, what trouble is this? Why is it you have sent me? Now, you shall see what I will do to Pharaoh. For with a strong hand, he will let them go. And with a strong hand, he will drive them out of his land. I am the Lord. I will bring you out under the burdens of the Egyptians. I will rescue you from their bondage. And I
Mas
will
mamaya
feed
walang
you
magbibideo
with
sa
an
amin,
outstretched arm and with great gladness. And will bring you to that land which I were given to Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. I will serve it to you as a heritage. I am the Lord.
So Moses and Aaron went into Pharaoh, and they did so, just as the Lord commanded. And Aaron cast down his rod before Pharaoh.
Isa sa muna ganyan, malalaglag ako.
He did not kill them, because the Lord had said.
And I will harden Pharaoh's heart, and multiply my sons, and they wander in the land of Egypt.
Afterward, the plagues started.
Hindi gagawin ni Chen.
Kalaban din yata. Prinsesa nakaporma pa.
Uy, mabala ka.
The water turns out into blood. The frogs.
That might be the goal. Behold, I will send frogs to your territory.
Ba ganun?
The lice.
That might be the goal. And they may serve the Lord. But if you refuse to let them go, behold, I will send storms of blood.
Pharaoh's heart grew harder. He refuses to let them go. The flies.
That might be the goal. That they may serve the Lord. But if you refuse to let them go, behold, I will send mass of flies.
Still, the Pharaoh's heart grew hard. He refuses to let the people of Israel go out of
Kasama yung
Egypt.
pera.
Another
Yeah.
plague came, the locusts.
How long will you refuse to humble yourself? Then let my people go that they may serve the Lord. But if you refuse to let them go, behold, I will send locusts to your territory.
Moses and Aaron did all their wonders before the Pharaoh, and the Lord hardened Pharaoh's heart. He did not let the children of Israel go out of his land. And the Lord said to Moses, I will bring one more plague on Pharaoh and on Egypt. Afterward, he will let you go from here when he lets you go. And I will surely strike you all.
About midnight, I will go out into the midst of Egypt. All the firstborn in the land shall die, from the firstborn of the Pharaoh who sit on his throne, even the firstborn of the female servant. Then there shall be a great cry throughout all the land of Egypt. Such was like before, or not should be like it again.
meeting ko, hiniram ko kami.
Go out from among my people, both you and the children of Israel, and go serve the Lord as you have said. Also take your flocks and herds as you have said, be gone! Bless me also.
Magaling pala siya pag serious na.
Wala! Yun talaga.
Remember this day, which you have become set out of the house of bondage, by the strength of the hand of the Lord